Tut 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 tut. Okay ba yung langit to? Half half. May shades of clouds, saka may part na maliwanag. Minsan malabo. Parang kayo. Yan. Yan. Okay din tong ulan na to, no? Hindi niya basta-basta binubuhos lahat. Anyong. Hi, welcome back mga soldiers. This is your guy Average Sticker Guy Japok, and welcome back again sa aking channel na punong-puno ng kalokohan madalas. Saka puro sneakers. Well, ngayon nagdo-drive tayo, day job. Singit-singit uli ng konti, no, para meron tayong konting income. Yes, singit-singit lang tayo ng vlog, no. Kailan kaya ako mamomonetize dito? Ayun, nakita nyo, naka-ano ako, no? Hindi naman ako purple army, no? Medyo dark ko na to, violet. Dark purple. And meron tayong i-unbox later. Pero mamaya na yun, pagdating natin sa bahay, kasi nagtatrabaho pa ako. Okay? So abangan nyo yun. This is something related with some Korean culture. Alright? I'll see you there. Sa bahay, ha? Bye. Peace. Ayun mga soldiers, so we're back now. Nandito na tayo sa bahay and we are going to unbox two pairs, no? I have actually two pairs, no? So this would be a quick one, and pero ang pinaka-highlight ko dito yung syempre una nating i-unbox na pair, and this is a Converse pair na bumabalik, no? They're going back with the new technology, and as you all know, they're already purchased by Nike, so they're owned by Nike. So kaya yung mga basketball shoes nila na lumabas recently was yung mga Nike technology na yung meron sa mga basketball shoes ng Converse. So as we all know, retro vibe is coming back, even yung sa fashion. So big shirts, oversized shirts, yung baggy pants, at yung mga clogs, sandals, slippers, or whatever they call it. So syempre ang sneakers bumabalik din, at yung mga brands are going back. At eto na, I have this here, hindi ko na patatagalin, the Converse All Star. Yan, Converse All Star. And this is the Chuck Taylor, no? So yung mga rockista nung 90s, ito yung nirarock nila, but actually Converse started then yung basketball Chuck Taylors nila nung 70s. So ito yun, we have it at low, syempre. So sa Converse guys, ang sizing nito is very different, no? So I got it as size 8 men's in US. So ano siya, probably 8 in UK. So it's better to fit, no, bago kayo kumuha. So ito, we had the low Converse. Wow, oops, no? So typical lang orange, but bago yung kanilang box, so hindi ganun kalaki. As you can see, parang Nike na rin siya kasi it was purchased by Nike. So I get the half of the pair. Yan, wow, ang ganda. So this colorway, ang tawag nila dito is Himalayan salt, no? So it's violet guys, na lilac, and ito yung 70s Chuck Taylor vibes that we have, diba? So neat. So ito na nga, no? Ganda tignan guys. Ikot ko muna sa inyo before I go into that certain details. Yan, see that? Oh wow, ganda. Oh, nice. So let's go with the materials of this pair. Actually yes, it is true that this is still textile cloth, no, as usual. So actually sabi nila, if you're rocking a Chuck Taylor, the more it gets old, the more it's better. So Super nice, super F. So yan, so as we go with this, lahat ng upper niya is tela, no? You can see, that's so nice. Tapos yung eyelets ng lacelets niya, ayan pa rin, the classic ones. Yung merong metal rings there, and of course yung tongue. The tongue is plain, no? But yung star nasa loob, ayan, may print na stars, and that size tag sa loob. At as you go sa medial side, meron din butas dyan for breathing ng paa nyo, so para mas breathable siya. At syempre ito medyo parang naiba for me, no? I don't know, I have the usual Chuck 70s before. Medyo shiny na yung kanyang midsoles, yan, yung galvanized midsoles, and of course yung toe, the rubber toe cup. This is very evident to sa lahat ng Chuck Taylor. Ito talaga ang tinitingnan. So, old school vibes. And makita nyo may lining siya with black. And it's so shiny right now. Ang ganda lang. It brings back yung aking mga rockista look before. I had, I think, 5 colors of this before, saka yung high cut. Malupit. And dito sa kanyang heel, medyo matigas siya ng konti, pero rubber naman siya, no? So it's foldable. So mostly yung iba fold to para maging parang sleeper siya. And pati yung high cut, pino-fold namin yan before para maging sleeves. And we go at the back. Midsoles, ayan, nakalagay Converse All Chuck Taylor. Very, very dope. At yung highlight ng pair na to is definitely yung kanyang outsoles. Yan. This is the classic outsoles. Everyday mong gamitin to, hindi siya malalaspag, and it's so comfortable that you don't have to do it. Kaya nga, no? I mean, the traction, ang basketball siya, skating, you're walking around. So yun yung everyday lifestyle or everyday pair mo, everyday shoes mo before ng 70s. And then it came back from the 90s, and again, after 2 decades, it went back to its new roots, and new tree, which is the Nike company, is now handling them. Now, eto, merong change pagdating dito. So, this is, di lang matanggal. The insoles, you cannot remove the insoles, guys, but it's really mushy. Mushy na siya, not unlike before na medyo matigas siya. So it's very mushy. Tingnan natin isang pair. Yeah, same, mushy, hindi rin siya matanggal. I don't know if I can remove it. Ito pala, but dito sa kabila hindi ko matanggal. So let's remove the insoles. Wow, look. I think it's a doubled layer that Nike did. So ito yung pinaka main. Tapos ito, this one, ibang klaseng foam. We don't know what kind of foam is this, but hanggang dito lang siya sa medyo mid. So dito, well, good amount of foam din naman ang binigay ng Converse dito, no? And I don't know what kind of foam ang additional for the heel. This is a good shot, no? And aside from this one, yung pinaka-inner niya, grabe. I don't know if this is React or whatever. It would really make you comfortable itong mga bagong Converse. Yung bagong labas na Converse na to. So yun, this is the Converse. For me, it's violet. Nice 70 Chuck Taylor's low. So, pwede nyo siyang rock kaagad-agad. And actually, you can cop your Converse dito sa link na to. I mean, this Facebook page, Street Sweets PH. They are located in Marikina. Legit, super, ganda ng mga pairs ni Bossing dyan. Shoutout sa'yo, sir. So, yan, kuha kayo sa kanya if you want some Converse pairs.